The next evolution in professional welding helmets is here in 3350 series welding helmets from Lincoln Electric. Industry-leading 4C optics, increased productivity, and better comfort. The new low-profile external grind button allows you to quickly switch from weld to grind mode, significantly reducing downtime. The one-of-a-kind X6 headgear contours to your head's unique features, establishing 6 contact points which distribute weight, eliminate pressure, and provide a personalized fit for maximum comfort. These new features are coupled with our industry-leading auto-darkening lens platform. Our exclusive 4C lens technology creates a crystal-clear, true-color view of the arc and puddle to enhance your control and increase weld quality. Standing out from competitors, all of our 4C auto-darkening lenses have the highest clarity rating possible in the world. This verified third-party rating showcases the absence of common lens imperfections, such as blurriness and distortion, while also providing consistent brightness and performance at an angle. While the quality of the auto-darkening lens is critical, the size is also an important attribute to consider. While the 3350's extra-large lens is almost 40% larger than its top competitors. To live up to their professional classification, both models have a number of features to enhance versatility and performance for use in any environment or application, all backed by Lincoln Electric's hassle-free 3-year warranty. The next evolution is here,